Alright guys, welcome to this video. We're gonna be opening this box. Let's see what's inside. It's kind of cloudy, so video will be a little dark. Alright. Just make sure it's in the camera's view. Alright, it's good. Put these in here. Put them on there. So it came in a plastic bag and stuff. Take them off in there so you can see it. Came with instructions right here. You guys can see them. The instructions on how to put them and what it came with. The floor mats from the company VIWIK. So put these right here. So yeah, it's a pretty hard plastic. Looks very durable. Looks easy to clean and stuff. Has the brand of the company right here. I think this is the driver's side. So the package comes with 3 total pieces. This is the rear passengers. And like I say, it looks very durable with hard plastic. The company says they do it with laser and stuff like that to make sure it fits. So I'll be installing these later in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. So you guys will see another video of this. And I ordered these from Amazon, so you guys can get them from there if you guys want to. I'll do a video later so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna install it. Thanks for watching.